Welcome to Noel Farm, where the radiant sunshine nurtures the finest and sweetest fruits in all of Asia. Today, we embark on a journey to discover the Japanese persimmon, a natural masterpiece with a gentle sweetness, silky texture, and exquisite appearance. What surprises many is the 2024 price, up to $450 for a box of 12 premium persimmons. Right now, follow me to Japan to witness how locals craft wind-dried persimmons, a traditional technique that has been passed down through generations. The persimmons, though not yet ripe, already hang heavily on the branches. Farmers use bamboo poles or wooden stakes anchored into the ground, gently tying each branch with rope to prevent them from breaking and to keep the trees healthy throughout the season. From late September to mid-November, harvesting is relatively quick for low-hanging branches near the ground, as farmers can gently shake the tree to make the fruits fall without causing damage. For older persimmon trees, which can grow over 6 to 7 meters tall, harvesting becomes significantly more challenging. In such cases, farmers must either climb the tree directly or use ladders to handpick the fruit, ensuring both safety and the preservation of the fruit's quality. Each harvest can yield anywhere from a few hundred to several thousand persimmons, enough to supply both fresh consumption and traditional processing methods. The persimmons are then hung on wooden racks or beneath eaves, places with gentle sunlight, cool breezes, and dry air. With skilled hands, workers tie the string securely to the stem using firm knots, keeping each fruit hanging vertically to allow even moisture evaporation. With great care, each dried persimmon is gently gathered and prepared for packaging. For especially beautiful fruits, a light pressing using washi paper is done to shape them neatly and help retain optimal moisture during storage. Pufferfish are typically harvested between October and March each year, once they reach an average weight of 800 grams to 1.2 kilograms. At this stage, the fish offer high-quality meat and maintain a stable toxin level that meets food safety standards. After about 4 months of careful nurturing in nursery tanks, the young pufferfish begin the next stage of their journey, being transferred to the open sea. There, they are released into large, sturdy cages, specially designed to withstand strong waves and completely prevent fish from escaping or being attacked by predators. If you found this video helpful and interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to join us on more exciting. Japanese dried persimmons are the embodiment of patience, tradition, and craftsmanship, a true symbol of the refined agricultural heritage of this land. Thank you for joining me on today's journey. I hope you enjoyed discovering the world of Japanese persimmons and the traditional drying process behind them. See you again on the next adventure. When it comes to pufferfish, many people immediately think of a highly poisonous species dangerous to humans, yet hundreds of millions of tons are consumed each year. And yet, in Japan, pufferfish are not only caught in the wild, but are also successfully farmed in large offshore aquaculture farms. No longer following the familiar closed system model, these farms have introduced a unique semi-wild pufferfish farming method. So how exactly does the pufferfish farming industry operate in Japan? Let's find out together in today's video. About 3 to 7 days after hatching, the pufferfish fry are immediately transferred to specialized rearing tanks. Farmers use carefully filtered and sterilized natural seawater. The water must be clean, stable, and rich in oxygen to ensure the healthy growth of the young fish. Here, trained workers certified in pufferfish handling carefully make incisions along the fish's body and meticulously remove toxic internal organs such as the liver, ovaries, intestines, and skin. The most valuable part of the pufferfish is the dorsal muscle, known for its firm yet tender texture and its highest concentration of nutrients.